In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Canva code in a GoDaddy website step by step. If you've created a design in Canva and you want it to appear directly on your GoDaddy site, whether it's a presentation, banner, portfolio piece, or interactive design, this is the easiest way to do it. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the publishing step that makes everything go live properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website and design tutorials just like this. Let's get started. Step 1 is to get the embed code from Canva. Start by opening the design you want to embed. This could be a presentation, infographic, flyer, or any design that supports embedding. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner and click on Share. A panel will open with different sharing options. From here, click on More to expand all available options. In the search bar, type in Embed, or scroll until you find the Embed option. Click on Embed, and Canva will generate an embed code for you. This will be an iframe code. This code is what allows your Canva design to display on another website. Once the code appears, click Copy. Now the embed code is copied to your clipboard and ready to be added to your GoDaddy website. Next, log into your GoDaddy account. Open a new tab, go to GoDaddy.com, and sign in using your account details. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, click on My Products. This section shows all the products and services you own, including your websites. Now locate the website where you want to embed your Canva design. Once you find it, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor where you can make changes to your site. Inside the website editor, navigate to the page where the Canva design will appear. Once you're on the correct page, click on Add Section. This is usually shown as a plus button. After clicking Add Section, scroll through the available section types and look for the HTML section. Select HTML. An HTML box will now appear on your page. Now it's time to paste your Canva embed code. Click inside the HTML box and paste the iframe code that you copied from Canva earlier. As soon as you paste it, your Canva design should load in the preview area. If you don't see it immediately, give it a few seconds to refresh. You can resize the section or adjust spacing if needed to make it fit nicely within your page layout. Once everything looks good, click Done to confirm the section. But you're not finished yet. The most important step is to click Publish. Publishing pushes the changes live so visitors can see your embedded Canva design on your website. After you click Publish, your Canva design will be fully embedded and visible on your live GoDaddy website. And that's it. That's exactly how to embed Canva code in a GoDaddy website quickly and easily. Now you can display interactive Canva presentations, graphics, and designs directly on your site without downloading or re-uploading anything. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.